Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. What a fantastic Friday with some great commentary last night. Another day, another dollar. Let's make one of these futures tickers holler. Good morning, On. Good morning, Eric, Nancy, Miguel, Jack, everybody. If I miss you, good morning. Good morning to everybody around the world. YouTube, Facebook, X. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the last day of the month. Some news came out for oil, and oil took off. Boy, look at oil. Gold took off, went up and hit our um, previous daily highs, looking good. NASDAQ is in a breakout back to the upside. We're waiting to see what this is going to do. Dan, what are the white lines on your chart? White lines are hour resistance. So if I go out to an hour chart, that was a previous hour bar, like a range. This was the low of this bar here. So I was looking, we were stuck in this range for a long time last night. And I just said, you know what? It's not really doing anything. I'm not going to trade it. So I went to bed. It was just stuck here. I mean, it went up a little bit out of here, but not much, right? And we were stuck down here, and we opened and we hung out around here. We tested open, hung out around here. But ideally, we were in an ABC swing, which still played out on an hourly time frame. So down here is your low, here is your high. If you look right there, it went right up to target. So I was just looking at this bigger time frame profit right there. And of course, it didn't break until way early this morning. And I'm not up. I was in bed. I had to get some sleep. I had to get some rest. It is what it is. But yeah. So that's why when you see the white lines, guys, usually I'm drawing them up on an hour. So if we are in a big range, like on the daily chart, this is a huge range, right? So huge range. Let me just show you a huge range. That's the high, that's the low. And we took out 2 full days of highs and lows. But we closed back up where? Back above this one. So really we're dealing with this high and this low, this current low and current high that we're dealing with. Does that mean we're not going to come down and retest and go long? No, it could, or it could just break out. It doesn't even matter. But so last night I didn't really get to put on any PA setup. Platinum, I took a nice trade there, ended up with like almost $13,000 and some change. But it had a $5,000 risk. I went in about $3,300 of that 5,000 before it broke and went into my favor. And you know, it's just because of the amount of money this PA costs, right? Platinum. So you got to have a lot slightly bigger trade those. But broke out, but didn't come down far enough for my entry. It's up at my target now. I wish I would have probably stayed with that and chased it down a little bit, but didn't want to do that. I would rather trade with a smaller stop if I can, $700 to $1,000. And of course, if I took the gold trade, it would have been like 2 or 3 grand stop. So that stopped me from trading it. I could have went into the micro level, and then it's like I'm not getting the money on the accounts that I want to get. So it is what it is. So here, as I was saying on NASDAQ, we got this high, this low, and we took out that day, and we took out that day, right? And we took out 50% of this day. Who was the other one? The other company, it was putting out earnings. They all been good. So I expect probably to see NASDAQ go back up towards the highs today. I know it sounds funny. We may get another pullback here, but I honestly think that we're going to see the longs today for NASDAQ. I think we'll get shorts in a little bit for the big players to get in, right? To see how this pans out.